If you're a nonprofit organization looking to streamline your processes, track donations, or manage your outreach, Salesforce can be an incredibly powerful tool. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use Salesforce for nonprofit organizations and how it can work wonders for your team and cause. First off, Salesforce is one of the most widely used customer relationship management, CRM, platforms, and it's not just for businesses. Nonprofits can tap into its features to track donors, manage events, and optimize their campaigns. And here's the best part. You can use Salesforce for free through the first link in the description below, with some exclusive bonuses. Trust me, you'll want to stick around to the end because I'll share exactly how you can access that. Now, let's dive into how Salesforce can benefit your nonprofit, starting with the basics. The first thing to know is that Salesforce offers a nonprofit-specific edition called the Nonprofit Success Pack. This is where you'll get all the essential tools designed to manage your programs, fundraising efforts, and constituent relationships. With this, you'll be able to manage donor data, fundraising campaigns, and engagement all in one place. Next thing, let's talk about how Salesforce helps you track donations. You can easily log donations as they come in, whether it's a one-time contribution or a recurring donation. The system will help you track the status of every donation, which is crucial for reporting and maintaining transparency with your supporters. This feature not only simplifies your work, but also keeps your donor management streamlined and accurate. The third thing to consider is Salesforce's automation. Automation is a game changer for nonprofits, especially when you're trying to manage donor relationships without drowning in repetitive tasks. With workflows and process automation, you can send follow-up emails, manage events, and handle reminders for pledges or upcoming campaigns without lifting a finger. The fourth thing that makes Salesforce so useful is its reporting features. As a nonprofit, tracking your progress is key. Salesforce lets you create detailed reports on donations, engagement, volunteer activities, and more. You'll have insights into what's working, where to improve, and how to adjust your strategy to hit your goals faster. All of this can be customized, so you get exactly the data you need. Now, another important feature is Salesforce's communication tools. You can connect your team with your donors by email, social media, or even direct messages, keeping everyone in the loop. This is especially useful when you're running a campaign or organizing an event. Plus, these communication logs will be automatically tracked and stored in the system, so you never lose touch with your supporters. Lastly, one of the things you'll love about Salesforce for nonprofit organizations is how customizable it is. You can tailor it to your organization's specific needs. Need to add a custom field for a specific data point? Done. Want to create a new donor segmentation model? No problem. This flexibility means Salesforce can grow alongside your nonprofit, adapting to your evolving needs. Before you go, I want to remind you that you can get Salesforce for nonprofits for free with our exclusive extended trial by using the first link in the description. This is an offer you don't want to miss, especially if you're looking for a way to maximize your nonprofit's impact. To sum it all up, Salesforce for nonprofit organizations is a game changer. From tracking donations to automating processes and creating insightful reports, this platform can help you take your nonprofit to the next level. And remember, you can get started today with a special bonus by clicking the link below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick guide helps you make the most out of Salesforce.